Just imagine that you're a girl who was born in this small countryside and you were not that popular in school, you didn't have a lot of confidence, you were bullied by a bunch of girls, and sadly, your sister was also a part of those girl gangs. She did not bully you, but she did not support you as well. You were extremely close to your father, but one day your father passed away and you were left alone in this world. You are not seen, you're not doing a job that you love to do, and you're not happy with your life. You literally have no personality. You're just a girl. If you're alive or dead, it does not matter to anyone. One day, you're at this canal and you're just walking by when this drunk guy comes and pees right where you are without seeing you. You get so angry and you're in so much rage that you end up killing him. And that's how you become a criminal. You start killing people. The police is trying to find you, your lover is trying to find you, and guess what? You're a detective. This is a show that I just finished watching on Geo called Sweet Pea, and it was so good. I just told you the story, so I'm obviously not going to get into it, but it's a limited British show of about 8 to 9 episodes, and it is in the black comedy genre. Like, sure, it's a thriller and it's like a murder mystery and stuff, but there's a lot of black comedy in it. The acting is superb. The lead of the show, her name is Ella, and she has done such a wonderful job. Like in the start, when she's that not confident girl, she's, very not confident, not very likable, but when she turns into this sinister, she just kills it with her eyes and her acting, and it's so good to see her on screen. I really loved watching it. There are some parts which become like a bit too much, and like it's definitely unpredictable, the whole show, but there are some parts where you're like, okay, you know what, you could have done this instead of that. But that's just the writer's choice, and I don't blame the writer for choosing that path because it's pretty unpredictable and different from what we are expecting. However, it's a good show. I hope there is no season 2 because they had like a good ending. It was an open ending, by the way, so you're open to interpret whatever you want. But if a season 2 comes, I will definitely watch it. I really liked watching the show. It's called Sweet Pea. It's so underrated and I loved it. It's available on Geo plus Hotstar, and you need to watch it. Then I watched another show in the comedy genre. There are like 4 to 5 seasons. It's a proper sitcom, and it's about this girl who basically got in this extremely nice big house on the outskirts of the city because her great grandmom died and the house is in her name. So she goes to check it out with her husband, and they realize that the property is very nice. So then they decide to make it a B&B and leave their job. Now when they make it a B&B, one day she falls and she realizes that there are ghosts in the house and she can see and talk to them. But these ghosts are not scary ghosts, they're chill ghosts who died in that house in a different era of time and are just stuck, and their soul never left for heaven on earth, and now they're just trying to figure out how they are. And like all the ghosts, like someone is gay, someone is a prince, someone is a hippie, someone is someone from the stock market, someone is like really cool people, and like she starts talking to the ghosts and she starts living her life and she starts like, so the show is about that, and it's very chill, very nice. It's one of the shows I watch after work when I don't want to do anything at all, and I really enjoyed watching it. It's called Ghosts, but the problem is that you can only watch 2 episodes a day. It's not as binge worthy as Schitt's Creek or like Big Bang Theory. Like the characters are good, but after a point you're like, okay, nothing different is happening. So to be very honest, I've just finished season 1 and I've started season 2 now, but it is definitely recommendable and I want you to watch it. It's a very unique concept and that's why I kind of liked it. And you can watch it after a day of work. It's pretty fun. The acting is also good. The characters that they have written are also very unique and nice. So do watch it. Let me know what you think about Sweet Pea. That was amazing. And Ghosts is just like a chill watch. Let me tell you that Geo Hotstar has some really good stuff. It's like this new Pandora's box of cinema that has opened for me, and I am so excited to explore everything on it. So do watch content on Geo plus Hotstar. I've been talking a lot about it. And yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.